Good morning, little one.
Good morning, Carl.
Monday morning, another week.
Yep.
What happened?
Yesterday, Lioness had lost the World Cup final.
Oh no, 1-0.
Spain.
What did you watch it all?
No, I didn't watch it because we were on jet skis all day yesterday.
Ah, and look at that fresh trim. We didn't see that the other day. What, you went on the jet ski yesterday as well? What, and Saturday? 2 days in a row?
I didn't go on it Saturday.
Oh, did you do that video Saturday with the door?
No, they were going to do it, but these people didn't let us do it.
Ah, who's that come out?
No one.
Them shutters look sick, didn't they? Oh, and also...
Chelsea lost 3-1 and went.
Oh, can't believe it. All this money spent. Money can't buy you everything, can it? that proves... Oh, look, Mum's there, look. All dead. Yeah, money can't buy everything, can it?
Nah.
So hopefully he gets it together, otherwise that's another manager gone. Right, are you ready to go and do some football?
Yeah.
All right then, mate. Nice. In, out, in, out. That's good. Good footwork. One. Oh, and he's gone. Here he goes. Yes. Nice. That's it. Good boy. Knock it to me. That's it. Go. Keep running. Keep running. And I've played you through. Head over the ball. Oh, right in the corner. Oh, you just scored, yeah? Frank number 8. Oh, you've signed for Chelsea. Oh, right, yeah, nice. What's up next, Frankie?
So basically, I'm going to pass it to you.
Yes.
You touch it with your left.
Yeah.
Then pass it through the orange and white cone there.
Yeah.
Pass it back to me.
Yeah.
And I'll lay the ball through and then you shoot.
And score.
And score.
Obviously.
Yeah.
Because I'm like a superstar striker.
Maybe.
In my dreams.
What about me?
You're a superstar striker. You just scored some sick goals there. Right, okay. So, you're knocking it to me.
Yep.
Okay. Right, so knock it to me then. Lovely. Right, and then I knock it out with my left foot. Play it across. Frank plays it across. Oh, lovely. He's going to have to go with one left foot. Oh! Teamwork makes the dream work. Yeah. Right, let's go. Touch. Touch. Nice. Touch. Yes, nice. Touch. Nice. Right, go. Oh, he's off. Oh, it's a little... That's it. Practice that celebration. Right, and then I'll... What are you doing? Oh, yeah, sick. That man was looking at you like, what is he doing? He's gone. Oh, and he's tucked it. What's he done? Oh, your ears have got smaller.
They got bigger.
Calvin Leslie, striker.
He looks like an idiot. Looks like an idiot.
Yes, Frank. End of another session.
Yes.
I believe it's day 17.
I believe it's day 19.
Day 19. That's it. We've done some shooting and stuff. What are you going to do? Oh, you just said you want to do something a little bit different on the video.
So we're going to do Guess the Footballer Frank edition.
Guess the Footballer Frank edition. Okay,
Yeah.
so what? You're going to say a few little clues and the person...
Yes.
Right, and then what's the person got to do?
And then down below, you guys have to comment who do you think the footballer is.
Ah, okay, all right. Is it easy or hard?
It's going to be easy.
Okay.
If you know your football.
Okay, all right then. Right, what's clue number 1?
He plays in the Premier League.
Clue 1 is he plays in the Premier League.
He plays for Man City.
Okay, clue 2, he plays for Man City.
He has a beard.
He has a beard. Clue number 3.
He's 27.
He's 27.
And
Clue
he's
number...
sponsored by Puma.
And he's sponsored by Puma. What does that have to do right below?
Yeah.
Lovely. And then we'll let you know if you get it right.
Yeah.
I don't know who this is.
Make sure you do it because we'll give it away tomorrow.
We'll let you know tomorrow. Lovely. Well done. Another good session. We'll see you tomorrow for day 20. Adios.
Well, adios,
Amigo.
amigos.
Should we end with a rap?
I don't know. I don't know.
She's calling me at 3 a.m.
Edit that bit in.
My mum said, don't go for a pee, go for a wee.
Edit that in at the end of the video.
I will.